We have friends. I'm going to wait till people come in and then we're going to feed the seagulls. I actually want to show you why you do not feed the seagulls on Clearwater Beach. Let's wait till some more people. Okay, we got some people. All right, we're going to feed the seagulls. This is wild. They're going to be so angry when I get... Let's just get them activated. Oh, they're activated. Okay, so this is why you don't want to feed seagulls on Clearwater Beach. I'm a professional, a local, and so I know what I'm doing, but you do not want to do this if you're a tourist in Florida. There's hundreds. Break them in half. Break them in half. Look at them all lined up, guys. Look at them all lined up. Look at all these seagulls. They love us. They love us. Here we go. Are they gonna come over here? Make them come over here. Make them come right here. Here. I'm gonna put one right here. Look. Don't freak out. I'm gonna put one right in front of us. No, I'm gonna put one right here.
No, look at where I am.
No. They're gonna come. Oh. Okay. Put it right here. I'm gonna put one right here. Look, guys, hey, it's here. You think they're bold enough to come get that? Oh, he's coming in hot. Get it, buddy, get it.
No, he's fucking scary.
Get. You want this? Come get it right there.
Hopefully they don't shoot on you.
Yeah, we hope so too. There's so many seagulls. Like, let me literally show you how many seagulls. I want him to come here. Let's back up a little bit.
He's right there.
Okay, I know he is. He's freaking me out. Back up a little bit so we can put him here. I think he'll come and get it. Come get your chip. But why would he come? He's scared to come here. You want this? You gotta get it right there. Look at that big one. It's like an owl. You see that one? Oh, he got it. I knew he would. He was waiting so we weren't looking.
Right by my face.
Oh, come on, get it, buddy.
You can't move.
Hi. Okay, come on here, man. In front of the camera, there are literally seagulls everywhere. Get in here with me. These comments are wild. We can't even see the comments.
Good luck, girls.
Good luck. I know our life. Let me show you how many seagulls we have. Look at them all.
You think they like cheese?
There's one above you.
You think they like cheese?
Give them the cheese. Give them the cheese. Oh, they love the cheese.
I feel bad for the mama, though.
Ah! You want one, baby? Here. We gave them these. You want this? Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Come and get it. Rocky, come here. Get him off me. Get him off me. I thought he was going to get me on my head. They're freaking psycho.
No, get it.
We're just feeding wildlife.
Ready?
Yeah, ready? Oh, yeah, give him the crumbs. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna do one too. Cover your head. Cover your head, Brooke. He's on my ass. He's really gonna bite my ass. I love that. Like, they're our friends. I feel like they like us. Look, they really like us. Like, the amount of like that we have, they literally like us. Like, we are their besties. Look. They're everywhere. They're above my head and it's kind of giving me the weird vibe. Oh, you just hit me! Watch, I'm gonna crumble them up and throw them. Ready? I don't know why people say they're aggressive. They're not that bad. Rats with wings? Are y'all ready, guys? Okay, let's take the power back. Guys, line up. Line up. Single file line. Nobody's getting anything till you line up accordingly. What the fuck was that? They literally listen to me. It's kind of cute. Everybody line up. Jacob, if you're not back here, you're not getting your treat. Get back up here. You feel that power? You want some? Don't eat them. Give them to the babies. Sometimes they get a little aggressive. Jacob, in line.
No.
Oh, you want to feed
Nice.
him? Wait, no, boy. I wanted to film it. Give him another one by hand. I'm going to feed one by hand in a second. Hang on. Let me give them these first. Okay. Listen. I'm going to give this to one special. Look, watch. Somebody come and get it. Give it to him. Just take it nicely. Ah, you got it.
Give me a big one.
Here's a big one.
Where are they going?
I don't know. Whoa. Somebody offering better food? Guys, they literally just all left us like almost instant. Oh my God. No! They came back! They're loyal as fuck! Oh my fucking God! We should go get some donut holes and give them some.
Look, I'm about to feed one by hand if they come.
Yeah, get him to feed it by hand. Give him his chip! This is the last chips I have.
I don't want one that's flying.
Actually, there's crumbs left.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Wow. Thanks, guys, for tuning into our channel. Just wait. Oh, wait. She's going to hand feed them. Hand feed them. Why doesn't he take it? Somebody's
I don't know.
Give it out further. Shake it.
I don't want one that's flying.
Give me. Okay, give it to that guy. He's a nice guy.
No, you're mean. one that's fun.
I know. I want a nice one.
Alright, then I'll wait till y'all bitches leave.
Just put your hand in the air and let's just... How about him? He looks nice. Look at this
What
guy.
about the ones that are gonna bite my finger off?
He won't. He just wants the chip. He doesn't want your finger. Look, can I give... You want to give it to him or you want me to give it?
Oh, fuck. I dropped it.
Oh. Thanks, guys.
Oh!
What?
They're fighting over here. Bye.